Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to take care of your diesel engine, then it matters what type of oil you put in. So this is what we use, the Mobil Delvac 1300 Super Oil. This is a 15W40 and this is a long-lasting engine oil. And this is such a great oil that you can even use this in semi-trucks, so it lasts for a long time. So we use this in a 93 Dodge Cummins with a diesel engine, and have found that it performs extremely well and really helps with just engine maintenance on this truck. The engine runs super smooth and it's such a good oil that we can actually alternate oil changes with just filter changes because it really does last a long time. So we've been super happy with it. It helps to increase engine performance and to increase the longevity of your engine as well. We are really happy with it and would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.